I've been doing some research and it's all for you. I'm sharing with you some of the fun gift ideas for anyone who loves to color, or even if you like to read and cozy up with a good book. These are perfect for you. They're great for spoiling someone that you know that likes to color too. You can even invite someone into this relaxing hobby this year as a Christmas gift, or you might just want to treat yourself to a gift because, hey, you deserve it. So let's dive into some of these goodies that I have found that you might want to add to your own Amazon shopping cart or even your wish list. I don't think you could find a better gift for anyone that colors or even an artist really, and that's this tote bag that you can actually color. You can even paint on it. It's very lightweight. It's only 16 by 16 inches. Whether you want to introduce someone to coloring or you just want to color your own bag, this would be great. And this is the only design in this particular bag, but it is $20. I purchased one of these book lights for myself, and it wasn't really that I was reading a book. I was using it to color with. That way I could go sit in a different area of my house, maybe on the couch or on a chair, and just be able to sit wherever I wanted and have light. And it really has come in very handy. It's very lightweight and small. You can bend it different ways. It's got different light settings. So whether you're coloring, you could be drawing, or just reading a book, this is a great find. And there's also this I'd rather be coloring tote bag. If you're an artist or you like to color, then these socks say, "I'm an artist. What's your superpower?" Now they are $12 for one pair. If you move your art supplies or your coloring supplies around quite a bit, then you might need a little caddy like this. It's got 16 pockets in it. They're all different sizes. It's perfect for when you just need to spread out everything on the table for a little bit, pack it away when you're done, and just set it in a closet or somewhere where it's out of the way and you don't have to look at everything spread out. If you have a lot of colored pencils laying around and you don't like keeping them in their original boxes, then you might just like one of these roll-up type pencil holders. There's different sizes between 24 slots, 48 slots, and 72 slots. All you do is simply just stick them in the little holder. You can roll it up when you're finished. It's easy cleanup. I know a lot of people like the smaller type coloring books with not a lot of detail, but this one is really small. It's 3 inches by 3 inches. You can fit it in your pocket. One of them has 50 pages, so if you just want to carry one around with you, maybe in your purse or just a bag, and a few colored pencils, you can sit and color maybe while you wait for a doctor's appointment or some other type of appointment, and it'll help keep you entertained. This next gift is a colored pencil necklace. It's only $7, but it would be a perfect gift for anyone who colors and if you draw. And of course, if you have kids that have teachers that need gifts, or maybe you even know a librarian. Next, there's this bracelet that has a paint palette on it, and it says "Life is better in color," and it's only $14. When I first saw this name bench, it really caught my eye because it looked appropriate for anyone that might draw or even color, and it's personalized. It has 12 colored pencil holders. You can get your name put on the front of it, and it's only $27. Next up is this gift blanket, which is 60 inches by 50 inches. Perfect thing to cover up or just get cozy in while you read or you color. And if you're like me, you like to have a change of scenery sometimes and move from room to room just to color a little bit in a different area. This folding desk is perfect to take with you, whether you sit in a chair, you can sit on the couch, have everything right in front of you, and it's handy to put away. You just fold the legs under and it saves a lot of space when you're trying to store it. And here is one of the newest coloring books for December. It is Fantasy World Whimsical Fantasy Coloring Book for Adults. It's got 50 illustrations, one-sided paper. The book is 8.5 inches by 8.5 inches. We can see some of the sample pages here. It's got a cute little dragon on the cover. So if you want just a basic coloring book, not a lot of detail, I put links for all of these items today in the video description. That way you can get to them easily and buy them for yourself or for others. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope some of these ideas will help you finish some of your Christmas shopping, especially for those that might be hard to buy for. Bring them into the world of coloring and introduce them into this great hobby. And I will see you in the next video.